The OnePlus 10 is out, but not for us. So I guess it's time to spruce up my OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, I used this phone pretty hard in the first half of 2021, and I've been revisiting it now with Android 12, and the factory applied screen protector was in really rough shape. So I reached out to the folks at Whitestone Dome to see if they could help me out, and they sent out a pair of kits for their premium screen protectors. They sent me 2 of these because they have zero confidence in my ability to follow instructions with good reason. I went 4 rounds on my last screen protector install. Did I do better this time? Yeah, just a little. This is an entire laboratory of screen protector goodness. There are 2 complete screen protectors included, and thankfully there are 3 tubes of the special adhesive fluid. Now, screen protectors are always tricky with curved display phones. Whitestone has one of the best solutions for protection along those curves and maintaining decent support for in-display fingerprint sensors. There's a fluid which needs to be cured, and the OnePlus 9 Pro kit is notable for a bunch of improvements over the previous kits I've used in the past. The frame is a bit better constructed and snaps the phone in place better. It's a science kit of stickers and wipes, but now you can guard buttons and speakers much better as some of the fluid might run off to the sides of the phone. The installation videos are a little clearer and easier to understand, and like I said, 2 full screen protectors and 3 bottles of fluid. There's a whole process here, covering buttons and microphones in the SIM card tray, cleaning the phone screen. I immediately ran into an issue pouring out the first bottle as my desk is apparently not level, so I had to brace the tray, and that's where I messed up. There's this great key action at the top of the tray that drops the screen protector in place. But because I was trying to keep the fluid from running off the side of the phone, I forgot to center the fluid in the middle of the phone screen. So I dropped the glass and it did not go well. About 1/3 of the fluid ran out over the top of the phone. So I cleaned off my OnePlus 9 Pro, I reset the tray, opened bottle number 2, and I flippin' nailed it. The installation went perfect. Now, I want to point out here that the curing chemical Whitestone uses is not nearly as pungent smelling as in years past. I'd still recommend being near a window you can open to vent out after application, but this is significantly improved from a couple years ago. Then you set up a cute little UV lamp to finish off the fluid under the glass, and voila, a perfectly applied screen protector with no bubbles or streaks or dust bits under the glass. This is the most involved process for protecting a screen, but it's also delivered the best results I've found so far. Whitestone recommends retraining the fingerprint sensor after application, but I'm happy that in initial boot up and testing, it's been working great for me, especially considering how janky the factory applied screen protector had gotten, especially around the sensor, because humans are filthy. There's also a cute little camera guard in the box, which is a nice touch. You know, just a little extra protection on the back of the phone, all of these real big camera sensors. There's no fancy fluid application here. It's just a bit of a raised guard around your cameras. It's pretty cool seeing this new kit in action, and this new style of application is currently available for the OnePlus 9 Pro and the Pixel 6 Pro. This really is a great option for not only protecting a new phone, but cleaning up an older phone. Like maybe you aren't looking to grab a new hotness this year and you just want to spruce up your current phone, make it feel brand new again. My OnePlus 9 Pro is looking real clean. Many thanks to the folks at Whitestone Dome. I not only have an extra screen protector replacement from the initial kit, I have a whole second kit to fall back on. This feels like a more significant victory for me than it probably should. I will, of course, leave some links where you can find more info on Whitestone Dome protectors. Shop some of these great accessories online. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing these videos, subscribing to the channel. Supporting has always been greatly appreciated. Full list of all my affiliates and partners on SomeGadgetGuy.com, or you might consider joining the list of names scrolling on your screen from my Patreon, patreon.com/SomeGadgetGuy. This list is basically the coolest collection of tech geeks on the planet, so I hope you'll check them out. Now, you know where you can find me around the rest of the internet at SomeGadgetGuy on the Twitters and the Twitch, Facebooks and the Instagrams, and I will catch you all on the next review.